Morning everyone, welcome to this session number 349 and I will continue with this problem that yesterday I start and basically this is a hard problem and is check if DFS string are palindromes, and the idea is that and the idea is that define if this, for example, this sub tree is an palindrome, ABA, okay, is palindrome. And now is this side with this side, For example, in this case, B and A aren't palindrome, yeah? But if I take this subtree with this subtree and join with this, is A, B, A, A, what is the last? Is this? Is A, B, A, A, B, A, okay? Now in this case is palindrome. Now, okay, sorry. Now yesterday I had this. Let me check. Okay. One moment, please. Okay. Now, here. One moment, please. I need to configure this. Change projection. No. Monitor 1. Okay, nice. Okay. Now, yesterday I discovered these points. Okay. Now, in this case, let me check. This represent the index of the elements. Now, this is the letter that represent this node, and this is the parent of this node. Yeah. For example, in this case, the A, that is the first, is in the index 0. Yeah. The index 0, and the parent is less 1. Okay, now the next is this one, that is this. The letter is A, and the parent is 0, means that this, Okay, and yesterday I remember that I start for the final. Let me remember this. We start with the final. In this case is 5. We have here 5, the index 5, the letter is A, and the parent is 2. Okay. Now is always this element will we take as a right child. Yeah. In this case, for example, okay, we have this element. Now we need search. Okay, first and second. Okay, we need search. Another node that have these two as a parent. Yeah, in this case only should have at least one. Yeah, in this case don't have, means that this is air. First is nothing, yeah, because it's left. And second is this, that is letter A plus parent. That parent is the 2. In this case is B. AB is palindrome. No. Okay, in this case this is false. Okay, now the next that is move with the next, and obviously if I think that I can or replace these values or remove these values for don't contemplate, but well, or use the index for don't touch again. But in this case, for example, where these 2 appear another time here, in the next iteration is basically move not 1 slot, is 2 slots, is until this point. In this case, I only have 1, means that I need move to the next. Okay, now this is cancelled. Okay, got it. Now we are here. Now the next that is 4B1. We need to search the pair of this 1. Should be the next, yeah? Always the next. In this case is this. Yeah. Yeah, means that we have the first is A, the second is B, and the parent is 1. 1, what is? This is parent. Is A, yeah? Plus A is a palindrome? Yeah. Okay, well, until now, I think works. But what happened? Okay, here this, and in this case, in this position is true. Now, and in this case, these have a pair, means that I need discard this and move to the next. The next is exactly this point. Okay. Now the next that is the 2. In this case, this is the right, the left, and the parent. The right is, in this case, this 2B 0. We need to search another, the next element. In this case, starting the move is right to left. The next element, it's have the same parent. Yeah, in this case is 0 A 1, and the parent of this is 0. The 0 is this 0 I less 1. Okay, now first is A B A, that is this, but in this point I need consider this, and I need consider this. Oh, I have the idea to maybe save these subtrees, save the results. For example, in the first iteration, we have the have an hash map, and say, okay, for the index, for the parent 5, the word of this subtree is only A. For the next, that is this, that is 4, the palindrome, well, the word is only B and A. Yeah. Now, in this side, and in this side, for example, we have the which number is this? 0. 1, 2, 3. Let me check the 0, the 1, the 2, 3. I'm not sure if I am doing the right path, because this 0 is this. Now the next is this letter A is this. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in this case, confuse too much the where have these repeat letters, because I don't know if is, for example, 5 and 4 is this and this, or this and this. I think that is this and this, right? But in this case, if this is the 5 and this is the 4, the parents are different, because the parent is 1 and the parent of the 5 is 2. Oh no, it's right. Okay. Okay, let me come back to my idea. Is start with this. Yeah, in the last, for the last. And is okay. Then and this I have the idea to have two functions, or execute the function twice. The first is with this sub 3 and the next is with this sub 3. Yeah. In this case, the humanities doesn't exist. Okay. Okay, this doesn't exist. Now the next that is start with this and basically apply the operation of calculate the sub 3. In this case is only 1 and is put here. Okay, this disappear. Got it. Now the next is this, the 4. In this case is B, the other letter is A, and the parent is 1, that is A. No, sorry, is B, A, and this A. Okay, and this is true, this is false. Now here is for the 4, for the letter B, the parent 1, this. No, it's for this. For the parent 1, we have, yeah. For the parent, for the parent 1, we have this. Now, the next is is this this is the formula, but come on, but the only thing is here we have a complement, and here we have a complement. This complement means that these registers, yeah. Even let me left, right, complement, right, parent, and result. In this case, for example, starting again, we start in the last. In this case, the last is the 5, means that okay, is the first element always is the right. This now is search the pair, don't have anything, yeah. But in this case is always search what is this register of the 2 appear here. In this case don't appear, well, means that we don't need to add anything, yeah. And for this, no, for this is 1, it's only this. Now the parent is the 2, that is B, yeah, and the result is A, B. A, B. And in this case, for the parent that is 2, is this, is A, B. For the 2 is A, B. Okay. Now the next that is this 4. Okay, here is B. We need another, or the pair that in this case is this, is A. And now is search if this appear here as a complement. In this case don't appear, means that we it's not necessary add anything, and the parent of this is A. And we have this. And obviously here I put the result here. This case is true, and is for the parent 1 we have ABA. ABA. Okay. Okay. Now this is complete. It's complete. Now the next that is this is the letter B. The pair is the letter A, and we need to check if the 0 appear here as a register. In this case, no, don't have complements. In this case, the 0 is the letter A, but this is wrong, because I have again AVA that is this, but okay, but here this A should we have the AVA. Oh, I think that is with this, and no, with the parent is with this register here. So for example, here instead AVA, instead A, it's AVA. Oh well, ABA, yeah. And in this case, the letter B is the 2, is AB. AB, A. ABA, 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 ABA. And this is true. I think that makes sense. I don't know if makes sense this logic, but let me do again before to move to the code. But for me makes sense until now. Makes sense. Okay. Okay. It's okay. Now here, in this point is start with the first, with the last. In this case, the last is this, is A. But we need to check if this appear here. In this case doesn't appear, well, only return the letter, yeah, in this case this. Now it search the pair, doesn't exist, okay, don't worry. And the parent of this is the parent 2. The parent 2 appear here, don't, it's not here, yeah, okay, return only the letter here, B. And we have that the parent of 2, the result is A, B. Okay? Okay, nice. Now, the next is this. Okay, the next is this. Now, this is the B. We have the, no. Is this. The parent appear here? No. Okay, return this, B. Now the next that is this. This one, or the parent appear here? No. Okay, only use the letter. And now the parent is 1, appear here? No. Okay, it's only the letter A. And in this case is ABA, yeah? This is obviously false and is put here. For the parent 1, we have ABA, okay? Now the next, this is complete, this is complete. Even let me use this for discard. All these elements are, yeah, are discard, yeah. Okay, now the next that is this, the index 0. The index 0 appear here. Damn. No. I need use this and not this. Okay, let me come back again. Okay, use search map because I forget. Okay, we start here and we need search. The 5 appear here. No, okay, only use the letter. Now search the pair appear here. No, okay, only use the parent of this is number 2. The number 2 appear here. No, okay, only use this. And we have A, B, and for the 2 we have A and B. Okay, now okay, this is complete. Okay, now the next that is the 4. Is the 4. In this case, 4 appear here. No. This case is B. And we have the next, that is this 3 appear here. No. Okay, we only use the letter. And the parent that is 1 appear here. No, the letter is A. We have ABA. For the parent that is 1, parent is ABA, and obviously this is true, this is false. And now this is complete and this is complete, yeah. Okay, now the next that is this. The 2 appear here, yeah, it's ADA. Here. No, it's AB. Yeah, it's AB. AB. And now for the 1 appear here, yeah, is ABA. ABA. Okay, and now the parent is 0. The 0 appear here. No, okay, it's only A. And we have ABA, ABA. In this is true, and we can say that for the index 0 is A, B, A, B, A, and this is true. And well, I think that the last is ignored. What do you think? Will work or not? Okay, now for have this structure, I think we can create an matrix with the length of 3. Yeah, in this case is 1, 2, 3. Well, it's n, the size is 3. The 0 is for the parent, the next is for the letter, and the last is for the. Now, this is the position, this is the letter, and this is the parent. Or another way to do it is with a map, and inside the map this is the key, and this is an array with two positions. But in this case, I think that I can save this letter as numbers, integers, and transform these letters. Okay, let me check if it works. Okay, in this case, the first is declare an integer. In this case is mapping, it's equal new int. In this case, the size is parent. Is parent. Yeah, because it's the length of this. Sorry, parent dot length. Parent dot length. And the size is 3, and in this case let me represent. The first is the position. Come on. Position, no, it is the first is position, the next is the letter, and the last is the parent. Okay, now now is fill this mapping with the parent and the letters. Okay, for this basically is the first, yeah, in this case the first mapping in the position 0, 0, it's equal, this is the position is the position 0, even integer position is equal 0, position, yeah, that is the 0. Now now the next that is what is the next? The letter. In this case is s.char at is this s.char at in the index position. and the last is the parent that is the index 2. But here is char at char 2. No. Here is char at less a. And okay, we have the first. Now the next that is continue with the others, but starting with the per position, it's minor that parent dot length position plus plus. Okay, and basically repeat this, but with the difference is that here is position. Position in the index 0. And for this is basically no. Parent position. Okay, let me copy this, put here. Okay, now the index 0, that is this. Even here I can use the position 0, and the parent is but even up here this don't make sense, because if I start here, in this case the position is 0 in the index 0. Here is the same with the position, and position is equal to position. And I think that with this I mapping all these values. Now the next I need a hash map. In this case integer and I think that and string, and and string map it's equal new hash map. In this case the first integer is the parent in the string. Normal. Now here we fill all this mapping. Now the next, what is the next? Start with the last integer. Last it's equal parent dot length this one. Now index. Okay, now we need transversal this structure mapping. Integer I it's equal index should be greater equal 0 index this is wrong. Okay, in this case this should be converted as a while, because the index can increase by 1 or by 2, depend if you search the pair or if you find the pair is by 2, and if don't have pair the element For example, in this case, the 2 don't have the pair, it's only increasing 1. Now, okay, we have this. Okay, now is get the first integer right, it's equal, and in this case, we are sure that at least the right exists. Yeah. Now, mapping in the position no index, and this I'm not sure if it's this. Okay, the first is position, index, the next is the letter, but in this case is letter is an integer, and this is 1, and this is the parent, and this is only for the right node. Yeah, we have this. Now we need search if left exists. How now is basically validate if the next, in this case, mapping in the position, mapping in the position index less 1, yeah, the next, in the index 2, that is the parent, it's equal to my current parent. Well, in this case, this parent, sorry. Yeah, basically in this case, for example, with the 1 is search, the next have the same value, that 1 and 1. Yeah, okay, in this case we know that we have this value, and okay, here I think that is very similar like this, but okay, position, it's mapping in the index is 1, and it's 1, letter right, left. Okay, in the case that exists, in this point we have a pair. Yeah. Now what is the next? Is search if this. No, but before to continue, I think this I will declare here, and yeah, take these values but have a flag. In this case, boolean is pair, it's equal, and basically this. If it's not equal, I know that I need to ignore completely these values. Now, okay, now the next that is, we have the right, we have the left, and we know that if it's a pair. Now the next is search this position in the map. Search the position in the map. Yeah, and for example, a string right string it's equal map dot get or default, yeah, and in this case we need search the position. Okay, position, no, is index, and the default is this, and with the left, here is pair. If is pair, is basically apply this. In other case, yeah, this basically is the if, right? The first is if this is true, okay, go to the map and search the index ls1, that is the pair. But where is false, basically is only return this. Okay, no, and even in this case this is wrong, because here the default shouldn't be the empty, should be the letter, yeah. Here is left, and here instead this is basically letter R, and here is letter left. But here no, chart to in and vice versa. Okay. No, but with letters. I think that is with char between parentheses, but I need to be sure that is this convert char to int and vice versa. Okay, yeah, it's basically with this. Yeah, blah blah blah. Here is basically letter R plus A. I think I can replace this for this and have yeah, I think that is this char with this letter A, this one letter and now here is a new string for transform as a new, no, it's letter R, and here is letter L. Now we have the two values, and is concatenate. No, and I need get the parent. Yeah. In this case, is oh my gosh, parent string. In this case is come on. Here is parents get also, in this case the parent should be have, oh my gosh, what is the parent? Parent, in the case that doesn't exist, I need return here is the parent letter. Letter, in this case, should we have the same for both? And in this is in the index 2. In this case, parent letter. Okay, now we have right, left, and the parent, and now it's join. For this case, hey, what's up, yo? Well, my idea is start with this and calculus the complete string and validate if it's a palindrome and save this register. Say for example, for the letter or for this position, the complete the string is A, B, A, and save here. Why this? Because on the final where I search with this node, it's not necessary iterate again over this and over this. It's only necessary search this value in the hash map and get the calculus that previously was executed, you know? And this way I know where I consult this one here, I know that is ABA. And where I consult the number 2 here is AB. Yeah, and that's it. It's only join the strings. Now for this, I have the result. It's equal right. No. It's this plus this plus the parent. And now is transversal this. Okay, with a 4. We don't have another and one function to help us with this. Integer L, it's equal 0, integer right, it's equal result. Dot length plus 1. Yeah, in this case is while L it's minor to right. If a result, this is for validate palindrome. If result dot char at in the position L it's different to this, basically in this moment we know that the result is false, but well, L plus plus, right less. Now for this is the position. Okay, we need the result here. Results, it's equal new boolean. The result is the size of the parent. Result in position. Now index it's equal false, and if this pair is the next two, yeah, and here is continue. Well, with this I think that is break for stop the while, and here is index less index it's equal is pair, where is pair basically is index less 2, in other case is index less 1. Yeah, yeah, I am saving the strings. For every parent, I save the string. Yeah, for example, in this case, these two appear here as a B. This A appear here as a B A. Yeah, and basically is okay. I am, for example, here. Yeah, search the pair or search the other the parent of the two is, but I don't have another idea. Because another way is basically calculus again, because if you are here, for example, you are here, how know that what is the substring or what is the string? Do you think? I don't know, because on the final I am avoid the another calculus. Yeah, because for example, in this operation only don't execute nothing, is only with this and create this string. And in the case that doesn't exist, basically I use this letter where exists. I only go to the hash map, and well, the operation with the hash map is basically constant. I think that could works, but well, let me check. My for me in this moment, I think that receive a timeline exception, but yeah, it's a win. Because this is completely new problem for me. It's uh, it's complex. Now here is pair, and I think that, oh, but for example, what happened is result, but how know that this is true? Okay, I think that I can use this, the index have the default as a true. Yeah, and if one moment change is basically with this, and the next that is with this is pair. If it's pair, basically I can consider this as a true. If in this iteration happen something, or I execute this, automatically change to false, and that's it. Okay, return results. Do you use hashing for the string? Yeah, well, in Java, use the hashing. For this reason, it's much different that search, for example, in a list. If you search in the list, basically it's a linear. The time complexity for the search is linear, but with the hash map is constant. Yeah. For this reason, I don't feel that this cause a problem. But my real challenge this is that execute this and at least have a wrong answer, but don't have this kind of problems. Let me check. Okay, this basically is our current mapping. The first is the position, the next is the letter that represent, and this is the parent of the this node. Now the next that this is the map, that this is the parent, and this is basically of the this parent, this is the string. For example, with this parent, I know that the string, the complete string is ABA. In this case, in the future, I need a query of this value, the one. It's not necessarily execute again. It's only get the value. In this case, ABA. Yeah. Now this is the position 0. The results, and in this I am mapping all these values starting with the last. Starting with the last. Even I don't know why. No, starting with the first. Start here, 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 here. And now the index now is for start with the last. Even I think that I don't use a few parent letter. This don't make sense because should be the same. Letter yeah, position yeah, parent letter, parent right, but this is number and this is yeah, it's a hash map. This is the hash map, and well, this is a simple matrix, you know. And well, my idea is get these values, calculus if this register exists in the map. If it doesn't exist, basically only take the letter. But where exists, okay, return the but here I need complement this with a new letter. Yeah, because for example for the A, no, sorry, for here, return letter air. No, it's right. Now this is left string, is the same. The parent is for calculus the parent. And now this. I have doubt here. Let me check. L it's equal R. That's it for our stop. Yeah, the right string and the left string are the child. Yeah, in this case, basically, I search the map. A map. Do you have this calculus? For example, I am here. Yeah, do you mind? You are in the node 0, and I need node. What is the string of the left child? In this case, is this. I go to the map and I perform the query to get this register. Map contains the register of this, the one, in this case, exists, and return ABA, okay, and return this ABA, and for the right side is the same. Give me the string of the right child, that in this case is AB, okay, and this case of this default is where, for example, in this case, the where doesn't exist is basically only save the same letter. Yeah, for example here, let me the left child is nothing, the right child is A. No, where I am here, for example, and I am saying, okay, the left child, what is, doesn't exist, okay, return empty, and now for the right child, this doesn't exist in the map. Yeah, in this case only return the letter A. For this reason appear here as a new string, new string, a new string. Yeah, and this is the parent, is the same, because in one moment basically you have two states. The first state is where the parent or the child are a single letter, or the second state is where the parent or the child are a string. a word, you know. This and this and this. Okay, I will execute. Ah. Hmm. What? Ah. I. Okay. What else? Incompatible type, possible losing conversation. Here. No? Or maybe I need to force with this. Let the air. I think. No. What is here? Mm-mm-mm. Why? The second example. Oh, damn. Yeah, you're right. In this case, uh, mm, 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 mm. I think instead to have a left and right child, I need to say by uh, 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 by parent. Uh, no, yeah, you're right. I only have this idea. I forget completely this. Yeah, I need. I think that I need modify this code. My first idea is that have the same logic in the with the point that the parent save the parent with the have a hash map parent. Have two hash map. The first hash map is parent with a string, and the other is basically parent with the childs. Yeah. Uh-huh. And apply sorry this logic with this. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. But well, I think that I can try, but I will complete this in this transmission. But yeah, you're right. I completely I forget this. Mm-hmm. Damn. But well, thanks for following this transmission, and I hope see you in the next. Thanks for the comments, and that's it. Bye bye.